Your non-stick pan sticking again? We've all been there, scraping off eggs that were supposed to slide off the pan, dealing with peeling coatings, or replacing yet another cheap cookware set. Non-stick cookware should make your life easier, not more frustrating. But with so many sets out there, how do you know which one truly lasts? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 non-stick cookware sets that actually live up to their promise. From everyday cooking to gourmet meals, these picks combine durability, heat performance, and easy cleanup. Say goodbye to stuck-on messes and hello to stress-free cooking. If you're on the hunt for an affordable, stylish, and high-performing cookware set, the SODAY non-stick cookware set is a hidden gem that's gaining serious attention among home cooks. Designed with convenience and versatility in mind, this set offers a great balance of modern aesthetics and practical features, perfect for everyday use in any kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, the SODAY set provides all the essentials to whip up anything from quick breakfasts to full family dinners. What stands out most is the durable non-stick coating, which allows food to slide right off with minimal oil, making both cooking and cleanup incredibly easy. The cookware is crafted from high-quality aluminum, ensuring fast and even heat distribution, which helps avoid hot spots and burn spots on your meals. The set typically includes frying pans, saucepans with lids, a stock pot, and a sauté pan, covering all the core pieces most kitchens need. Another highlight is the Stay Cool ergonomic handles that provide a comfortable and safe grip, even when cooking at higher temperatures. The tempered glass lids with steam vents are also a user favorite, letting you keep an eye on your dishes without lifting the lid and losing heat. While the set is not typically induction compatible, it works great on gas and electric stovetops, and many users report it holds up well with proper care. Customer reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with many praising the cookware for its non-stick performance, easy cleaning, and stylish design. It's also dishwasher safe, although hand washing is recommended to prolong the life of the non-stick coating. Overall, the SODAY non-stick cookware set delivers solid quality, user-friendly features, and a modern look at a very budget-friendly price point. If you're looking for reliable, everyday cookware that won't disappoint, this set definitely earns a spot in our top 5 cookware recommendations. If you're looking for cookware that's not only high-performing, but also eco-friendly and stylish, the SENSARTE non-stick ceramic cookware set is a top contender that deserves a spot in your kitchen. This set has been making waves with home cooks who want a healthier, non-toxic alternative to traditional non-stick pans without sacrificing performance. Made with a PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS-free ceramic coating, the SENSARTE set ensures that your meals are cooked with minimal oil and no harmful chemicals, making it perfect for health-conscious families. One of the standout features of this cookware set is its durable die-cast aluminum construction, which provides fast, even heat distribution and helps prevent annoying hot spots that can ruin a dish. The set typically includes all the essentials: frying pans, saucepans with lids, a sauté pan, and a stock pot, giving you everything you need for daily cooking. Users rave about the ultra-smooth ceramic coating, which allows food to release effortlessly and makes cleanup as simple as a quick wipe with a sponge. Another user favorite is the Stay Cool Bakelite handles, which are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip and remain cool even during longer cooking sessions. The tempered glass lids with steam vents make it easy to monitor your food without lifting the lid, locking in both heat and flavor. This set is also compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and is oven-safe up to a certain temperature. Check specific model specs. If you're looking for a cookware set that blends classic design, high-end performance, and everyday reliability, the Cuisinart Chef's Classic Cookware Set is a top-rated option that deserves your attention. This collection is designed for both new home cooks and experienced chefs who want professional-grade results without the premium price tag. Made with durable mirror-finish stainless steel and an aluminum encapsulated base, it ensures fast, even heat distribution while eliminating hot spots, perfect for simmering sauces, searing meats, and everything in between. The set typically includes essential pieces like saucepans, skillets, a stock pot, a sauté pan, and lids, all crafted to meet a variety of cooking needs. One of the standout features is the Cool Grip stainless steel handles, which are riveted for strength and stay cool on the stovetop. The tight-fitting glass lids lock in moisture and flavor while allowing you to monitor your food without lifting the lid. User reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with many praising the cookware's solid construction and long-lasting performance. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, broiler-safe, and dishwasher-friendly, making it incredibly versatile and low-maintenance. Number 2 in our best non-stick cookware set list is T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set. If you're searching for a cookware set that's built to last, delivers top-tier non-stick performance, and offers incredible value for money, the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set is a must-have in any kitchen. This set is a favorite among home cooks and even professionals who appreciate durable, everyday cookware that doesn't compromise on performance. Crafted with hard anodized aluminum, it's much stronger than traditional aluminum and provides excellent heat distribution for fast, even cooking without hot spots. One of the most talked about features is T-fal's signature thermospot heat indicator, which glows solid red when the pan is perfectly preheated and ready to use. A small detail that makes a big difference in achieving consistent cooking results. The titanium-reinforced nonstick coating ensures effortless food release and makes cleanup a breeze. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or simmering sauces, food slides right off and the surface holds up impressively over time, even with daily use. The set usually includes a generous variety of pots and pans, including fry pans, saucepans with lids, a Dutch oven, and utensils, all designed to meet the needs of a modern kitchen. The riveted silicone handles stay cool and comfortable to grip, while the vented tempered glass lids let you monitor cooking progress without losing heat or moisture. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 400 degrees, giving you even more flexibility in the kitchen. Reviews consistently highlight the T-fal Ultimate Set for its reliability, ease of use, and long-lasting performance. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with cookware that's modern, non-toxic, and delivers exceptional performance, the CAROTE Non-Stick Cookware Set is a fantastic choice that has quickly become a favorite among home cooks. With its clean, minimalist look and granite-style finish, this set doesn't just cook well, it looks great doing it. But beyond the aesthetic appeal, CAROTE cookware shines in the areas that matter most: non-stick performance, durability, and ease of use. Made with eco-friendly PFOA and PFOS-free granite non-stick coating, this set allows you to cook with minimal oil, making it perfect for healthy cooking. The die-cast aluminum body ensures fast and even heat distribution, reducing the chances of hot spots and ensuring your food cooks evenly every time. Whether you're frying, simmering, or sautéing, you'll enjoy smooth, hassle-free food release and quick cleanup. The set typically includes everything you need: fry pans, saucepans, a casserole pot, sauté pan, and matching lids. The Stay Cool Bakelite handles are ergonomically designed and heat-resistant, providing a safe and comfortable grip while cooking. The cookware is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, which is a huge plus for versatility in different kitchen setups. User reviews are overwhelmingly positive. Most customers highlight how incredibly easy it is to clean, with many saying they no longer dread post-cooking cleanup.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!